Ayan guys, barato, murang-mura yung mga paninda dito sa Orcus Port guys, Dubai. Ayan nga, 10 dirham, marami gan guys, mga 10 dirham. Where's the 10 dirham there? Oh guys, 10 dirham lang guys, oh my goodness guys. Cheaper guys, all 10 dirham. Pantalon 10 dirham?
This one 10 dirham, this one 10, all this one 10 dirham.
All 10 dirham, out about here.
This one 25 plus.
Oh, 25 plus guys, any size of pantalon guys. Brand new guys. No UK, no okay. Brand new, huh? TikTok. Huh? Okay? And then they come here to buy your things, right? Yeah guys, punta na kayo dito. Come here guys and buy here. You see all this here very cheaper. Yeah. And also here, look sir, wait here, you look very nice. How much, sir?
Big is small?
Yeah, big and queen.
25.
25 only guys. Queen size. Very nice guys. And also here cheaper. We have 50, 30, 25 and 10 dirham. And here also, how much here, sir?
10 dirham. This one 20.
Oh, look, sir. Oh, look guys, 10 dirham only. All 10 dirham. Not ukay guys. This all brand new. No ukay. Very cheaper and very nice the materials. Oh my god, very cheaper guys. Very cheaper.
This one 20.
Oh, 20 partner.
Yes.
This much? 20?
20.
Oh guys, 20. Oh, this guys 20. 20 match na guys, partner guys 20. Ayan guys, 20. Sir, para sa TikTok to. I put TikTok but then people they come and buy here. Thank you. May mga perfume din guys. Kompleto po guys dito. Doon sa side naman may mga isda, mga gulay. Kompleto guys. Kung kayo naman guys natitipid guys, gulang kayo sa budget, gusto niyo bumili na dito kayo hanapin yung hinahanap nyo guys. Makakabili kayo guys sa halagang 100 dirham guys. Marami na kayong magbibili guys. Yan guys. Ang dami guys. Ang ganda guys.